If you have come to this video is because you want to know more about the product Cellxrenewal. Hi, my name is Estella and I will tell you everything you need to know to get your Cellxrenewal safely and with the certainty that you are making the best choice. The first thing you need to know is that Cellxrenewal is only for sale on the official website. So if you want to make sure you're buying an original product with the best price and exclusive bonuses, buy it on the official website. And to help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. Cellxrenewal with Longevity Mineral is the latest breakthrough in longevity science that can bring back the health, energy, and confidence you had in your youth. Cellxrenewal protects your cells from aging-related degradation and supports healthy cells, including the cells that make up your brain, heart, liver, eyes, and even your sex organs. So you can unleash insane amounts of energy to fuel you 24/7. You'll feel alive, fast, and ready to take on whatever the day has in store for you. How Cellxrenewal works. Rejuvenate your struggling heart cells. To get blood pumping to tired heart cells for increased energy and activity. Cross the blood-brain barrier to fuel brain cells. That means no more brain fog or awkward senior moments for you. Rotate shoulders and knees without pain after a hectic day. It also increases muscle strength and rejuvenates skeletal muscles, so you can move again. Protect your cells from viruses and toxins. Strengthen and seal cell membranes, and avoid nasty bugs. Increase energy levels. Boost your body's natural production of youth hormones, so you can feel like you're 30 again. Strong as bones of steel. Infuses your bones with essential minerals and essential elements to keep them strong as steel. Known as the longevity mineral, Cellxrenewal will give you more energy and drive to do what you want and become the captain of your ship. You will feel young again so you can do whatever you want. In every serving, you'll feel the rejuvenating power of a total of 7 supercell synergistic micronutrients designed to support increased energy, healthier metabolism, balanced immunity, long-term health and well-being. And every rejuvenated cell means you'll keep your strength, energy, and still have a sexy body in your golden years. You can trust it without fear. Cellxrenewal is a 100% natural product, free of chemicals and preservatives, GMO-free, made on a scientific research basis and manufactured in the USA in a sterile GMP-certified and FDA-compliant facility. It is very simple to take Cellxrenewal. You should take 2 capsules with a full glass of juice or water. Many of our customers prefer to take Cellxrenewal with food. There are 60 capsules in each bottle, so one bottle can last 30 days. This product is so wonderful that the manufacturer makes sure and offers a 1-year money-back guarantee. That's right. 365 to make sure you make the best choice. So take advantage and make your purchase now to enjoy the benefits of this product that is selling very fast. Here below is the link to the official website. If this video helped you in any way, like and share it. Thanks.